Iranian President Hassan Rouhani has urged the United States to lift sanctions to save the nuclear deal. In India, farmer unions have decided to escalate their protests against the Modi regime. Polling on 37th vacant seat of Senate underway at Parliament House in Islamabad. Explosion hit Daesh COVID-19 testing center and no injuries record. Daesh claims responsibility for the attack on media worker in eastern Afghanistan. Emotional scenes as the UN General Assembly hears of human rights abuses in Syria. Remains of 4 Filipinos killed by Daesh found in Libya cemetery. The new government takes the oath before Kuwait emir.